Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve question number 40. It says the cells of a certain type of bacteria double in numbers every 20 minutes. Suppose 100 of these cells are in one culture dish and 250 cells are in other culture dish. Write and evaluate an expression to find the total number of bacteria cells in both dishes after 20 minutes. So over here we see the time is constant, 20 minutes and 20 minutes. So for dish 1, the expression will be twice into 100, right? And for dish 2, it will be twice into 250, right? So now the to find the total, we will add both the expressions. 2 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 250, right? So now 2 multiplied by 100 is 200, right? And 250 multiplied by 200 is 500. So the total will be 700 bacterias in two dishes in 20 minutes. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.